Hi, I'm Dani, and I study media production here at City Campus. Let me show you around. City Campus is home to our creative and cultural industry courses. It's made up of 4 city center sites: Bowra Ashton, Spike Island, Arnold Feedy, and the Watershed. There are plenty of buses connecting the different parts of campus, or you can always jump on a bike or scooter. This is Bowra Ashton, home of our film, photography, and animation courses. It's nestled at the edge of the beautiful Ashton Court Estate. This is one of our fabrication centers. These are open to everyone, and I love that you can learn new techniques here, like silversmithing and ceramics. And our fashion students get these amazing top floor views. There's industry standard equipment where you can experiment with sewing, knitting, and digital embroidery. Our library has some great exhibition spaces and plenty of quiet study areas. You can grab a bite to eat or a drink in between classes at the Hub Restaurant. And the Students' Union is just around the corner if you need advice with anything. If you want to study film or animation, Bristol is an exciting place to be. Here on campus, you'll find all the latest tech in our award-winning film studios and photography suites. Next on our whistle-stop tour is the Arts Hub here at Spike Island. It's right next to the river and only a short walk to our Arnold Feedy and Watershed sites. This is where fine art students study alongside artists, designers, and creative businesses. Also here at Spike Island, the cafe is one of my favorites. And here we are at the Arnold Feedy, Bristol's International Center for Contemporary Arts. It is home to our design, drama, and fashion students and has plenty of studio spaces and collaborative project spaces. Oh, and another great cafe. And here, you're right on the harbor side, in the heart of the city. Being able to stroll along the waterfront between classes is pretty unique. There are lots of accommodation options right here in the heart of Bristol. And many City Campus students choose the center as their new home. Makes sense, as you've got great access to study spaces as well as everything the city has to offer. And finally, just along the harbor side is the Watershed, the Southwest's leading film culture and digital media center. Here, you can join lunchtime talks and get inspired by the resident artists working here. Well, thanks for joining me and letting me show you around. This is just a small selection of what's on offer here. Why not take a look for yourself?